Hey everyone, we are diving head first into the incredible world of the Samsung S23 Ultra. Get ready to witness the future of smartphone unfold before your eyes. With an expansion 6.8-inch display, this phone is designed to provide a visual experience like no other. Its stunning 1440 by 3088 pixel resolution, a unique 90.3:9 aspect ratio, ensures that every image and video you view is nothing short of spectacular. Beneath the sleek exterior lies the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8th Generation 2 chipset, a powerhouse that guarantees light fast performance and the ability to handle multitasking with ease. Whether you opt for 8GB or 12GB of RAM and choose from 256GB, 512GB or a massive 1TB of storage, the Galaxy S23 Ultra is ready to meet your every need. Now let's talk about photography. The Galaxy S23 Ultra takes your smartphone photography game to a new level. It features a 12-megapixel front camera for stunning selfies and video calls, complemented by a groundbreaking 200-megapixel main camera. There's also a 10-megapixel ultra-wide lenses, another 10-megapixel periscope telephoto lens, and a 12-megapixel tertiary camera. This phone is not just about looks and performance, it's packed with sensors to enhance your experience, from the fingerprint sensor for security, to sensors that track your movements, detect your surroundings, and even check the barometric pressure. The Galaxy S23 Ultra is your personal tech companion. With its battery life, the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra boasts a mighty 5000 mAh battery that ensures you stay connected and powered up for days on end. With an impressive endurance rating of 126 hours, it's a smartphone that keeps pace with your lifestyle. Express your style with a choice of 4 stunning colors: Phantom Black, Green, Lavender and Cream. Your smartphone should be as unique as you are, and the Galaxy S23 Ultra offers just that. The Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra starts at just $860, making it an affordable gateway to a future of innovation. Remember, the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra isn't just a smartphone, it's a testament to what is possible when technology and innovation collide. If you are ready to redefine your smartphone experience, this is the device that will take you there. Let us know in the comment section what you think about Samsung S23 Ultra. Thank you very much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment. See you in the next video.